Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Papercrafts Facebook group. Now this is our Steampunk Your Art drawing for Junk Journal and Papercrafts Facebook group, and we've already done the other two, and be sure to watch those because you won't know if you win unless you watch. The drawing is being held one day early because tomorrow is our Terry's Crafty Christmas beginning on December 1st. So I'm doing my drawing on the 30th, and then Natalie and Stacy are holding their drawings tomorrow, and they will be up posted tomorrow. Okay. So I think I forgot to say that in the other two drawings, so I apologize. But yeah, Natalie and Stacy, which is LineDotArrow and Two Sister Jam, their drawings are going to be tomorrow as scheduled, and then mine are today just because of the scheduling conflict. All right. So in Junk Journal and Papercrafts, we had 166 entries. The prizes are: first place is 3 Junk Journal kits by LineDotArrow, second place is 2 Junk Journal kits by LineDotArrow, and third place is 1 Junk Journal kit by LineDotArrow. And I'd like to thank Natalie for designing the Steampunk Your Art kit, and or kits, actually. There's 4 and 5, I believe, and also for sponsoring the drawings. So let's go for this one. Third place, number 85. Whoopsie. That's Wendy. Congratulations, Wendy. She's won in our other drawings before, so it pays to enter. Prize number 2, or second place, number 132. Yeah, that's Lois. She won second. Now she won third in both of the other drawings. So she's got 4 Junk Journal kits. So that's one better than 1 first place prize. So if you enter more than once, then you can win more than once, and then you can benefit from that. Okay, now the first place prize, which is 3 Junk Journal kits, is 146, and that's Becky Dawson. Congratulations, Becky, and Wendy, and Lois. Almost said Louise again. Don't know why. It's like a brain block or something. Okay, so now to claim your prizes, just get a hold of me through Facebook Messenger, which it's Terry S. Lee, or you just click on my name in the Facebook group. Or you can email me at sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com. sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com. I believe I have it on the screen in the Sweet Pea Papers drawing. I think that's it for this one. And don't forget to come back tomorrow and check out the Terry's Crafty Terry's Crafty Christmas event. There's going to be drawings and challenges and giveaways. And there's giveaways in 5 different groups. And in all 5 groups, the first place prize is different. So you need to enter in all the groups so that you can possibly win one of those prizes. Okay, well, thank you, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow.